Hello you guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel if you are new here. Today I am doing a try-on haul featuring HALARA. So I did a try-on haul with them last month and fell in love with literally so many of their pieces that I was super excited that they wanted to partner again today to share some of their fall autumn sort of pieces. So if you are curious to check out my like legging sort of first impression of HALARA, I'm gonna go ahead and pop that video up in the cards as well as in the description box down below where I talk about sizing for the leggings and whatnot. You want to check out that video if you're curious to see that. If not, I do have a bunch of fun fall and autumn winter pieces here for you guys, so I'm super excited. So you can use the code KellyF, I'll have it on the screen as well as in the description box down below, for 20% off. They already have amazing prices and their quality is top notch. So go ahead and use that discount code to save yourself a little bit more. These would make great gifts for anybody in your life, but they're just amazing. And if you guys saw my last video, you know how much I fell in love with the pieces. And two of the items in that last haul I got in different colors for this one because I loved them that much. So let's start. Let's go ahead and jump in. Starting with the first piece that I have on, I'm gonna do cutaways so you can kind of see the pieces on and I can talk about sizing and all of that. And all of these specific sizings for each item will be linked down below with a direct link so you can easily find anything that you're looking for in order of how I talk about it in this video. But this sweatshirt, I had it in the, I think it was, gosh, I can't remember, the blue color, and it was stunning and I wore it so much and I still wear it all the time. But I wanted it in just like a neutral black. I love this. It's got the drop shoulder. It's the perfect amount of cropped where it's not like your belly hangs out. It's perfect with high-waisted leggings. I'm obsessed with it. It's warm and fuzzy. It's fleece lined through the body of the sweatshirt plus the hood. It's got nice tassel details like these aglets. I love everything about this sweatshirt. I needed it in black. I don't typically get black because I have a white dog, but with this I was like, I don't care. I just won't let it touch the ground. If you have a dog, you know. But if you are curious to try out their Patitoff material, just check out the last video. I swear, there were so many good pieces if you're a dog lover and I've steered clear from black. That will make you think otherwise. So unfortunately, they don't have it in this sweater material. I wish they did. HALARA, if you're listening, make black hoodies with that Patitoff material because that is just like the best invention in the world. But this sweatshirt was amazing and I knew I wanted it in another color. So I'm so happy I picked it up. Obviously going into the fall and autumn, this is just a great item to, you can wear it with jeans, you can throw it over the top of your gym outfit and go to the gym. That's what I personally love to do with it. It's good for just chilling around the house. It is good for so many different reasons and I love the thickness, the quality of this, plus the crop is the right amount of crop. So check it out. This next jacket is so similar to a jacket that I currently already have and have had for years, but this is their little like zip up. These jackets do stuff to you, like to your body, that like I just can't explain. They're just so good. So it's a little like mock neck sort of style with the, I love the fact that it's the plastic zipper. It's just gonna hold up so much better than like a metal and it won't get caught on things. So I love that. It has small little like seamed pockets in the front. So I like that feature a little bit better than the one that I have from a different brand. So it has just like that seamless pocket in the front. It curves you in at all the right angles. Like it's already tapered before it gets onto your body. So it's so much more tapered once you have it on. It is stunning. I love this to wear over the top of my sports bras when I go to the gym and then I take it off after I warm up. Tied around your waist. It's super lightweight, super quick. This is a ribbed sort of material, which I really like. It's got thumb holes. It has a lot of like piping, or not piping, seam details that make your waist just look good. I like that this isn't super full length. It's not cropped, but it's not like cover your booty length. It's like the right mid-length. I don't know. I love this. I did not have it in black and they don't say that this is the Patitoff material, but it feels like the Patitoff material. So I would be really happy to know if this is like dog proof. Here we are. Miss Winnie's sleeping and it's dark out, but you're gonna have to bear with me. Let's try this out because I realized I never tried it when I was filming. Hi, Miss Winnie. I just given you nice pets. See it? Yes. We love participation. You may sleep now. Because I have a pair of joggers in this same sort of material, which would look so cute with this. So like an all black sort of fit. You could wear this, like I said, athletic, like to the gym, but you also wear it like athleisure. So cute, obsessed. If you don't have a jacket like this, you need one. And I just didn't have it in black because, like I said, I was so afraid of black clothes for so long. But I feel like HALARA has it nailed with like the fact that you can pat it off, except for this, unfortunately. But I digress. That is awesome, and it comes in a bunch of different colors as well. I have this little black top, which this is different for me. This is more like, think Pilates or yoga, which I want to get into. I've been meaning to this whole past year, but now that I feel like we're finally settled here, I want to start going to a Pilates or barre class. I used to love doing them. So this top is so cute. It's so fun with this open back sort of detailing and the little string. I only showed it tied in the back, but you could also tie it up in the front as well. This is long enough so that you don't have to see a ton of like your stomach. I love the scoop neck. Now I have like a larger-ish chest, so I do prefer to wear a sports bra under this. This isn't lined or seamed, not lined. It's thin and it's not like super compressive, so I would recommend wearing a sports bra underneath it, but it's so cute with the way that it pokes out in the back, so if you do like kind of a strappy back sports bra, so stinking cute. So I love this piece. It's really thin, a nice just like lightweight throw on. I wish I had things like this when I was in ballet when I was younger, because this is a perfect thing. It's just nice and stretchy, lightweight, doesn't add a ton of warmth to you, but adds just a cute element. So again, I would say Pilates for this. I would not wear this weightlifting, but it is still super cute and just like a fun, I don't know, just like a fun top to kind of spice up your very neutral workout wear wardrobe if you're like me. Because I am very boring when it comes to my workout wear, but HALARA pulls me outside of that box a little bit, specifically with this top. Okay, I saw this top and I was like, that is so cute. Again, it's not like an everyday sort of workout top for me, but like think Pilates. So cute. It's hard to show this top when you're not wearing it, but it's technically just one piece. Love this. At first when I saw it, I was like, there's no way I could work out with this. But it does have a built-in sports bra underneath in the front, so you're getting that compression lift and hold in the front. It is so buttery soft. This is very like much like that brushed buttery feel. This little clasp in the front is so cute, and it kind of just holds up the girls and lifts it up. This like middle piece goes around your neck like a halter, and then these sleeves. This is stunning, y'all. I think it is so cute and so fun. Has armholes in this. I would say this fits true to size, because typically like with sports bras and tops, I go up, but with like shirts like this, I don't. So I would say for me, the small fit me really well, and I'm so happy that I stepped out of my comfort zone to try this. I think this like kind of ivory-ish color, like creamy ivory, is so pretty as well, especially if you have like a darker complexion. This would look gorgeous, but the quality of this is amazing. I feel like the fit is go with your fit that a top would be, because I feel like the sports bra isn't insanely compressive, but it holds you in enough to do like Pilates or yoga with. So cute. And I thought honestly that the sleeves would fall down, but because it's like a full shirt in the back, it stays up with no problem. So I don't know. I stepped out of my comfort zone with this, and I'm pretty happy that I did, because I think it's super cute. Let's move on. The last top that I have, and then we'll move into bottoms, is this little waffle cropped half zip or full zip sweatshirt. I loved the little waffle pants that I got in my last try on, so I was like, I knew I wanted like a little sweatshirt throw over. Again, these are just perfect little like cover-ups to go to the gym with. I'm somebody that has to like warm up a little bit before I just like strip down. I don't know, I just am. So I love little things like this instead of big, bulky, like full-length sweaters, because you can tie them around your waist and you don't feel like it's just like a lot or you're throwing it all over the gym floor. So I love that for this. You could also just, this is like an anywhere sort of look, but I like that it's a full zip, so I can kind of half zip it, I can full zip it up. It's just like got more, I don't know, just different ways that you can style it and wear it. This blue, this icy blue, is so pretty. I love it. And it goes with like a lot of different other shades of blue and black and things like that. So it's pretty, it'll go really well with my neutral wardrobe. So this isn't super thick and bulky and heavy. It's like a thin, just one layer of the waffle, so keep that in mind. No pockets, but again, I don't really stick things in my pockets at the gym, which is what I intend to wear this for. Be good to just layer over, again, even with some like joggers chilling around the house. Yes. So cozy, so comfy, and I'm a sucker for this like waffle knit. All right, so I went crazy with the joggers last time, so I kind of honed it in a little bit because I was like, I don't need that many joggers in my life, even though I could really use them in every single color, but I wanted to try these ones. I know, white joggers are kind of like, I don't know, they're always see-through, right? But not see-through, but they're always like sheer. So I wore nude undergarments with this, had no issue, but you do see the outline of the pocket. That's what I mean by sheer. But I don't think there's like a light colored jogger in this world that wouldn't happen. Again, it's that ribbed, padded off material. Love it, because not only is my dog white, she's also black and brown. So yeah, but I love this part of this. So it has that little like trendy cargo pocket on the side with the zip. Again, I wouldn't wear these necessarily to the gym at all. I would wear these kind of like athleisure. I wouldn't even wear these working out, to be honest with you. I just wouldn't. I don't really prefer to work out in joggers. Some people do. In my gym, I see a lot of people doing it. But I would prefer to wear these athleisure. Again, throw it on with a pair of Uggs and a cozy sweater, an airport outfit, anything like that. Just anything like casual walks and whatnot, but I wouldn't work out in these. But these are really nice, and I like the ribbed because I feel like it's not as like clingy as their other material, but I still love the cling. I don't know, I don't have a favorite, but the ribbed is nice. And then, okay, everyone and their mama is talking about flared leggings coming back, and I'm gonna be honest with you, like I was in the prime of the pink Victoria's Secret pink. I was one of those girls that folded over, and they were long, and you wore them with Ugg boots, and yes, I was one of those girls. And I never thought that I would see them come back. But they're back, and they're in full effect, and people love them. And so I was like, do I need to try them again? And I will tell you, they are some of the most flattering thing on in the entire world, because they make your waist just look so cinched, especially with this crossover waist that they have. I went with navy because you can't go wrong with navy. Navy is just such a classic color. For me, I think it's a little bit softer than black, and I like it. But these are buttery soft. They're the perfect length for me. They're flare. They're huge, and I like low-key love them because they're so like flattering, but they just remind me of being back in like high school, middle school. So I have to break that thought from my brain because I need to just become aware that like fashion is going to be repeating itself, and I just need to get comfortable with that. These are like a big like, whoa, those are back sort of vibe. Super cute with that cross waistband. There is a little small like card pocket in the back. It's not like secure, but you could fit something back there and it wouldn't like fall out. It doesn't zip, if that makes sense. A phone might fit back there. I don't know what size phone you have, but these are cute, and they're they're like the leggings that I tried last time, like a brushed, super soft, buttery, super stretchy fabric. Again, wouldn't wear these working out, but these would be a cute like athleisure look. I love the look of this with like a big oversized sweatshirt and some Uggs. I do think it can look really cute. So that is the flare leggings. Are you pro flare leggings? Are you not? I think I might convert back. I don't know. All right, then I grabbed another pair of sweatpants. I'm really adding to my sweatpant collection this year. When I lived in Texas, it really didn't get super cold, so I like owned like one pair of sweatpants and I was fine with it. These though, so I loved the color of it. It's like a green tealy sort of color. I liked that the strings are in the inside instead of on the outside, because sometimes on the outside it just looks kind of like, I don't know, it can just look, I like the detail of it being inside. These are cool because they can be like a full length, or they can bungee at the bottom and like cinch in a little bit and be more of like a jogger. I thought these would be cute again with some Ugg boots. Like I'm really reliving my 90s fashion, or my 2000s fashion, but these are again like a ribbed cotton, super soft. They are not like lined or anything, so they don't have any fleece lining in them. They have pockets, and the pockets sit really in the front, which I kind of really dig, instead of all the way like on the sides. But they're seamless, so they don't look like they have pockets. They do have little butt pockets in the back just for an extra detail, but I like these. These fit really comfy, super nice, really soft, and yeah, I mean, go to HALARA for some good comfy sweatpants. But In my last video, I tried out the white like jogger, or not joggers, trousers, and I wanted to try them in black because I got them in white and I loved the fit and everything of them, but obviously the pockets were a bit sheer, but that's okay for like a summer moment. But I wanted some that were darker that I could wear with like my black Converse and whatnot. These do have these big long strings in the front, which you can tie in a bow, or you can completely remove them if you want more of like a professional look to your trousers. Cute. The length, I would say, is not a full length on me. I'm like 5'5", 5'6". And I would say I'm an even proportion. Like, I don't have super long legs or anything, but I would wear these with platforms, personally. Platform sneakers, that's how I would style them. But these are cute. Throw it on with a big chunky sweater and you're good to go. I feel like trousers are just like such an easy way to like dress up an outfit, and these are so nice, affordable, nice quality, and I like them, and I wanted them in black. That's why I like them so much. I got them in black. And can we talk about corduroy pants making a comeback? Those I didn't know would come back. I mean, I should have known, but those were before like flares. I used to own corduroys a lot. I have a brown pair that I recently got, and now this navy blue. I didn't even know HALARA made this stuff, y'all. Check them out. Check them out. And like I've said in the past, it's a female-owned company, so we love to support somebody like that. These have a bungee back, so they're super like easy to custom, or like super forgiving in sizing, but the front is a flat lay, which I love because it just looks more professional. So cute, nice quality, navy blue corduroys. I thought this with like a light gray sweater, throw on some Converse or Uggs, and you're so comfy and so cute. There's something just so cozy about these. I feel like they're not tight, but they're not like baggy swallow you pants. I don't know, I love these. These are definitely one of my favorite finds. This and that little black jacket, so cute. I just feel like not many people are carrying corduroys recently, but I think they're back and I'm happy for it. So that's everything that I got. That's my recent haul from HALARA. I hope you guys enjoyed seeing a little try on, me talk through some sizing. I would say 99% of their stuff is true to size, and I love it. Again, I do have an amazing coupon code that they provided for you guys. It is KellyF for 20% off of your order. Do not forget to check out my last video if you have not checked it out already to kind of see the padded off material that I'm obsessed with. But I wanted to get some more like autumn, winter finds that weren't just for the gym in this haul. So I hope you guys enjoyed, found this video helpful, and I will see you all in my next video.